Once may picture ka dyan, alam na ng mga tao na nasa Thailand ka. That's the Wat Arun or Temple of Dawn. My Thai outfit with my payong over here. And Jan's outfit is here also. Pope Francis pala also visits here na pala. Nakapagpalabas na kami ng konting sama ng loob. Ayan, nandito na tayo sa reclining Buddha. May coins na tayo para ilagay dun sa ano. Hey besties! Good morning! Daming energy natin na. Char. Anyway, good morning besties. Today marks our official day 4 here in Thailand. And it's currently 8 AM. O, diba? Medyo maaga tayong gumising ngayon kasi wala lang. Bet lang. So, our itinerary for today is pupunta tayo sa mga temples here in Thailand. So, basically, parang once may picture ka dyan, alam na ng mga tao na nasa Thailand ka. So, yun. So, maybe pupunta kami sa Wat Arun tsaka yung reclining Buddha. So, that's really the basic na tourist spot here sa Bangkok, Thailand. So, yan. Here's my outfit, guys. Ano lang siya, parang pants something, oh. And then, yung pair niya nito is, ano siya, yung parang sleeveless bitaw na parang, ano, very sexy. Pero, syempre, pupunta tayo sa temple, so bawal siya. So, ano, pinair ko na lang siya sa aking black na crop top something. Maybe, mag-rent kami ng Thai costume. Kasi yan yung hindi ko na-try before. So, probably, yan yung gagawin namin. And right now, we are currently sa puning iringa, oy. So, right now, guys, we are currently eating some, of course, 7-Eleven foodies for our breakfast. Ayan o, dumpling. Parang everyday ko to siya kinakain dito, guys. And then, of course, we have our noodles something here. And bumili lang kami ng 5-star. Yung sa 5-star na chicken. Ayan. 58 baht, no? With 55 baht. 58 baht. Dalawang chicken na siya. Tapos may kasaling Pepsi. And sa akin is eto. Sobrang sarap nito, guys. As in. And eto yung parang sauce niya. Ayan. So, 5-star chicken. Actually, masarap sila, guys. I highly recommend also this one. Hashtag Shalikes. Ayan. And, of course, our coffee. Bumili lang kami ng sachet dun sa 7-Eleven. Kang dyan is yung green, tapos sa akin is red. So, hindi pala namin siya inubos lahat kasi, ano parang maliit lang yung tasa namin. Ayan. So, let's eat our early breakfast. Here's the dumpling, guys. Sobrang sarap nito as in. Let's eat. Hey besties, we are done taking our lunch. No breakfast. We are now finally going to Krongton Bori Station, and right after that one is punta kami sa Pan Taksin Station kasi yan yung bababaan natin para makasakay tayo ng parang boat yata siya sa Chao Phraya River. Para yan yung sasakyan natin going to Wat Arun. So, let's go! Yes, we are finally here at Krongton Bori Station. Hangaka. Nagsaka, bitamig-as kayong hagdanan, guys. Whew. So, yan. We are using our rabbit card. So, guys, if you are really using BTS from time to time, I highly suggest na magbili kayo ng rabbit card for only 100 baht. Tapos, I know, 200 baht siya, pero may kasama na siyang load na 100 baht. Medyo umuulan and sasakay pa naman kami ng boat. So, I don't know if they will go through, no? Baka, if ever hindi, I don't know, maybe boat is the key. We will see. Pero pupunta muna kami dun sa Saturn Pier. besties, nasa ano na kami sa Pantaksin Station. So mag-exit kayo sa exit 2. And now we are walking slowly dun sa Saturn Pier. So ito yung formula guys. Ayun, kinda mingaw no. Maybe because it's Monday. So ayan, nandito na tayo sa pier. So ito yung forma niya guys. Okay guys, so first namin napupuntahan is Wat Arun. So we will book a ticket here going to Tat Tien Pier. N8. N8 for Tat Tien Pier. N8? Tat Tien Pier. How much? So dyan kami bumili guys for Tat Tien Pier. So 16 baht siya going to Tat Tien Pier. Para doon tayo bababa for Wat Arun. Let's go! We are here na sa Chao Phraya River and I guess yan yung parang sasakyan natin. No? Ayan. Let's go! Just this, ayan, nasa ano na kami, boat. Sang nanay! medyo maalon guys. And ang bilis lang din mag-andar. Hey besties, dito na tayo sa Tat Tien Pier and parang sasakay pa ulit kami ng boat guys. I don't know eh. Going to Wat Arun. Ayan, nandito na tayo sa Tat Tien Pier. Ayan o, crossing ferry pier to Wat Arun. So let's go. We will purchase crossing ferry pier to Wat Arun. So I guess 4 baht daw siya. Actually yung Tat Tien Pier is katapat lang siya or on the other side ang Wat Arun. So 5 baht siya ang binayaran namin. So ayan, here's our ferry going there. Hey besties, we're here na as in ano lang siya, seconds, 5 seconds. Kung ako yung driver parang ano, dukaon jud ko. Kay akbang nga mo. Boring. Oo, mag-boring. Dukaon ka kung kay driver. Kay dali ra kayo ka maabot sa Wat Arun Pier. Hinay. So we're here. Ayan. Hey besties, ayan, nakasulod na kami. Yung nabayaran namin is 200 baht per person and meron siyang free water. Hey besties, for some reason wala, nabudol kami. Nag-try kami ng Thai costume for 300 baht each. Ayan, look at our costume. Outfit check. Kami, DIY ng picture kasi medyo ano na rin. Mahal na if mag-photographer pa kami. So let's go, we will find a spot lang. So that's the Wat Arun or Temple of Dawn. Besties, ayan, here's my outfit, my Thai outfit with my payong over here. Ayan, with my payong. Actually guys, so ganda. Awa, and Jan's outfit is here also. Baka na yung mungguhan. Plastic. Ayan guys, we are machi-machi. Hey besties, ayan, nakapag-change na kami to our OOTD kanina. Pusa kami dito sa Wat Arun and right now we will be going sa Wat Po pala, yung reclining Buddha I think. Grabe kaya init guys, medyo init pero tolerable siya kasi ano, parang cloudy-ish siya. Pero ano lang, mauhaw talaga. Pero good thing may free water sila. And then right now, since nandito tayo sa Wat Arun, we will be transferring back again doon sa Tat Tien Pier. Then after that one is, I guess, maglakad yata going to Wat Po or dili ay joke. So sa Tat Tien Pier doon tayo sasakay going to Wat Po. Guys, parang ano, water is not enough. We want something cold talaga. So we will be buying coconut ice cream guys. 2 Thank you. Yan. Coconut ice cream, everyone. Cheers! Coconut ice cream. So, dyan lang kami bumili for only 50 baht. So, still we are here at Wat Arun before going to Tachien Pier. Kasi wala guys, we are craving some coldness talaga. Wow. Look, in fairness guys, ang sarap. No? Lami siya. Hey besties, we're still here at Wat Arun. Kakagaling na namin kumain ng ice cream and look what we got. Ayan. So we have parang hotdog siya and fishball. So this is for our lunch. Guys, nakikita ninyo ba? Ano lang, trivia para hindi kayo dukaon. Hindi kayo dukaon. Ano lang, pang pa-alert lang while nanood kayo sa akin. So comment down below guys kung ano yung answer niyo ha. Kung ang toko sa ato is mo sound og toko. So what if taga-America siya guys? Ano yung sound? Toko, magyagapon. Toko. Toko. Wala lang. Just lang as toko. Wala lang. I'm just so curious. So comment down below guys if anong answer niya.
Lizard.
Ano yung answer?
Lizard.
Wala lang. I'm just so curious. Randomly yan yung parang pumasok sa isipan ko ngayon. Okay guys, we're done eating. Pupunta na kami sa Tachien Pier. Then, going to Wat Po. Hey besties, ayan, we are done now eating our mini lunch. And then yung coconut ice cream. So, right now, we are on our way na sa Tachien Pier. Pero doon na tayo sasakay. Going to Wat Po! Yay! Let's go! Are you okay? Okay. Parang feeling ko guys na refresh na ako. As in. So, mga 10 minutes pa daw yung hahantayin namin guys. So, yan, for 10 baht each going to Wat Po. So, hindi na kami pupunta daw. I guess hindi na kami pupunta doon sa Tachien Pier. So, I guess mas less hassle siya if yan yung pipiliin nyo. So, dyan kami guys, bumili ng ticket, ferry boat ticket dyan. Going to Wat Po. Hey besties, ayan, yung ferry for Wat Po guys, ang ganda, tingnan nyo. Ah, so nice. To Wat Po we go. Uy! Oh my gosh. Tingnan nyo guys, kung gano'n kami kakonti. Tapos naglarga na. Ayan o. Mga 4 lang kami. Ay, 5. Tapos ang lawak pa. Tingnan nyo, ang ganda. Oh! Oh shit. Oh my god.
May agi.
Ah. Agi, paspas mo kayo siya. Budlok po doon.
Ano mga atbang ulit ang promote ko.
Ay, daw lang din guys, mag-atbang. Hey besties, ayan, nakababa na kami sa pier. Going na kami sa Wat Po. And maglakad lang kami going there. Tapat lang talaga siya sa Wat Arun. Proceed na tayo for Wat Po. Tapos na kami sa aming mini lunch. So, medyo na-refresh kami ng konti. Shoutout sa aming energy. So let's go, see you there at Wat Po. Hey besties, we are already here at Wat Po. So, ano siya, parang self-service ticket. So let's go. Ayan siya. Self-service ticket. Entrance fee is 300 baht. So yan guys, magsukli pa lang sila. And here's our ticket. Let's go.
One by one, moment. Slowly. One.
Bye!
One by one. Okay.
Thank you. Yeah, we're here na sa Wat Po. Hey besties, parang the difference between Wat Arun at Wat Po is dito sa Wat Po is siya parang chill vibe lang, like walang masyadong katao-tao, parang laid back something, chill lang talaga as in. Bawal mag-ingay dito. Sa Wat Arun kasi parang medyo Para medyo maraming tao at saka basta marami talagang tao and medyo maingay dun compare dito. And right now, mag-picture kami. Tripod is the key. Yan, our best friend here. Pero yung Wat Po lang is mas mahal siya ng entrance fee compare sa Wat Arun. Sa Wat Arun kasi is 200 baht. Tapos dito sa Wat Po is 300 baht. So yan, picture lang. Oh! Picture lang kami guys. And then, pupunta na kami dun sa reclining Buddha sa loob. So guys, we are ready. About to go sa reclining Buddha. So, before that is mag-take off tayo ng shoes. Shoes. Diyan ko lang linagay yung aking shoes. Let's go! So guys, false alarm. Hindi pa pala to yung yung reclining Buddha. I don't know, for some reason baka may purpose kung anong nandito kami. So yan. Yan yung nakikita namin right now. Trivia lang kasi may narinig kaming parang tourist guide dito, tapos wala lang, relay yung message niya to you, sa inyo guys, kasi sabi niyang tour guide is eto daw is 500 years na siya and made of bronze. Ayan siya. No, hindi yan. Ayan. Ayan. Look guys, tingnan nyo. Pope Francis pala also visits here na pala sa Wat Po last June 17, 2022. Diba? Amazing guys! Tingnan nyo. At marami pang iba. Yung mga VIP talaga worldwide is nakapunta na dito. Ayan o. Wow. Chuyo eh. Even Barack Obama also visits here na pala with Mrs. Hillary Clinton. Ayan. Ay. Hey besties, ayan, nakapagpalabas na kami ng konting sama ng loob. By the way guys, dito pala yung maraming tao sa mismo ng reclining Buddha. So yan, nandito na talaga tayo. So let's go, let's go, let's go. Hey besties, ayan, nandito na tayo sa reclining Buddha. Ayan, sobrang taas niya, as in. Grabe. This is made of gold talaga, as in. Tingnan.
Can you take me a picture with at the Buddha?
Ayan, until there. Mag-ano tayo. Ito parang coin something na ilagay mo dyan until sa dulo. May coins na tayo para ilagay dun sa parang pot something. Ayan. Until sa dulo. Let's go! Hey besties, ayan, tapos na tayo dun sa coins na hinuhulog dun sa cups, and right now, iput na natin ulit yung shoes natin. And then, after this one is baka mag-snacks na kami guys kasi gutom na talaga, tapos sobrang uhaw na talaga ako. Lamig kayong pound ice. Basta something smoothie siguro, fruit smoothie probably. So yan, let's go! Coke break! We are still here at Wat Po. Nag-cook break guys. Grabe, jubit ko. Cheers. So refreshing. This one is 30 baht. Hey besties, tapos na kaming uminom ng Coke and mag-CR break muna kami, and then right after that one is pupunta na kami sa Platinum Mall para titingin kung anong pwedeng mabili doon, and then maybe for pasabay na kasi it's already our day 4, so I think it's time na to post for pasabay. Charot. So ayan, see you later. Hey besties, it's currently 10:11 PM and hindi na ako nakapag-update sa inyo guys. I guess yung last update ko is yung sinabihan ko kayo na pupunta kami ng Platinum Mall. Yes, pumunta kami sa Platinum Mall guys. And mabuya! Siguro more than 4 hours akong naglakad. Char! Ay, ang sa taras na abot dito sa Platinum Mall, mga 5, guys, haggard na kayo. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. So, mga 3 hours like kung naglakad guys, roaming around sa Platinum Mall. And yes! Meron tayong mga napamili doon. Ayan. So, later ko na lang siyang ipapakita sa inyo guys. Maybe one of these days. Yung mga nabili natin doon sa Platinum Mall. Slightly budol. Char. Pero ano siya guys. Everything is worth it naman. Eh, mayroon lang kaming binili sa 7-Eleven for our snacks dito. And tingnan nyo guys. Parang collagen jelly something siya. Kasi I'm so obsessed with collagen. So, I will try this one maybe tonight. Ayan. So, sorry guys if hindi ko na kaya ng aking powers guys. Kasi nalobat din yung camera ko. Ito guys, so hindi ko na kaya yung powers ko mag-vlog doon sa Platinum Mall kasi ang busy lang slight kasi nagpapasabay yung mother ko at saka yung sister ko. Kaya ayan, medyo naging busy talaga doing some lives. Sure! So, I guess I will end my video here guys. Tomorrow is mag-floating market tayo sa Damnoen. I don't know how to pronounce it. Damnoen sa Duwak. Basta yun. And saka yung railway, parang railway siya ng train na market something. So yan yung pupuntahan natin tomorrow. So, thank you guys if you are still watching up to this and comment down below Platinum Mall. If nakapanood pa rin kayo up until this video. Ay, hindi na lang Platinum Mall ang i-comment nyo. Ano na lang? This word, just squeeze. Just squeeze. Wala lang, trip ko lang. Okay, comment down below guys ha. Just squeeze. Ayan, just squeeze if you are still watching up until this end. Wala lang. Attendance check kung mayroon pang nanood sa akin up until this video. Up until this moment. So ayun lang guys, thank you so much for joining us sa aming paglalakbay doon sa temple hopping namin dito sa Bangkok, which was Wat Arun at saka sa Wat Po. Diba guys, grabe, fully ano talaga yung day namin ngayon, puro lakad. So based sa aking smartwatch is naka 16,592 steps ako ngayon. So, konting push pa for 20k, uy. Sure! So, yeah. Sa Wat Arun, guys, is 200 baht yung entrance. And then, sa Wat Po, yung may reclining Buddha is 300 baht. At saka, yun pala, no, sa Wat Arun is nakapag-try kami for the first time dun sa Thai costume. So, yun yung parang definitely goal ko talaga na ma-try dito sa Bangkok. And finally, ano siya, bucket list unlock siya sa akin na pagsuot ng Thai costume. So, ayun lang guys. Thank you so much for joining with me up until this video. Kakain lang kami ng konti and mag-rest lang because tomorrow yung call time namin is 7:30 AM yata. Ayun. So, kapoy. Fully, need pa namin mag-fully recharge tonight. So, ayun lang guys. Thank you so much once again for joining with me and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!